It often strikes my mind that what is an AI technique? In this video, we will walk through 3 versions of programs that solve the same problem, and then we will ponder upon that which of them is the AI technique. So, everybody has played the popular game called tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe is the zero and cross game that is the first probably a game that a adult sister or brother teaches their younger sibling. So let us look at how the computer will play this tic-tac-toe game against a human. So how to make the computer play this game so that the computer will win. In the first program, we will create a one-dimensional array with 9 places, each place representing the board position. And we will be using 0, cross and blank on this array. So let us represent 0, cross and blank with some numbers. So what we will do is, we will represent the 0 by 2, cross by 1 and blank by a 0. So if we look at this particular board position, we have 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now what we will do is, we will write this number backwards and we will treat this number as a ternary number in the number system. And then we will convert this into a base 10 number, that is the decimal number, using the multiplication method, and what we are getting is 131 as answer. Now 131 will suggest a move that you put a 0 in this particular column, and we will block the win of our opponent, the X player. Now we will use the similar method, and for all the possible board positions, whatever configurations are possible with 0, 1 and 2, we will make an exhaustive table, store their decimal conversions, and what moves are suggested, that we will store in a move table. So we will make a table of all possible 9-digit ternary numbers and their corresponding suitable moves. And using this table, the computer will select its move. So this is the program 1. Now, so the algorithm is, view the vector as a ternary number and convert it to decimal, and then the computed number as an index in the move table, and accordingly we will select the new move. Now the analysis of this program is, it will require a lot of space for the move table and a lot of work to specify all the entries. A lot of manual labor is required, and it is difficult to extend to a 9 by 9 game or any other format of the game following the same rules. So this particular program, can you think whether it is AI? So while you are carrying on thinking this process, let us look at the program 2. In program 2, what we will do is, again we will have a board and we will have numbers assigned to each of them, like the 0 is represented by 5, X is represented by 3, and blank is represented by 2. Now, in order to identify the win, what we have is, if the product of any row, column or diagonal is 18, that means X can win in that particular column, row or diagonal. And if the product of any is 50, 5 into 5 into 2, that means that the O can win. So as we can see here we have 3, 3 and 2. That means in this particular column, the player X can win. Now, how does the program work? So we have the functions available to us, in which we select the, first of all we will check the possible win of our opponent. Then we will check the possible win for ourselves using the formula of the multiplication method, which I have just discussed. And then we will select the next move based on, if nobody is winning, then we have to select the move. For that, what we will do is, we will try to select the center tile. If the center tile is not available, then the corner tiles, and if the corner tiles are not available, then any of the remaining tiles. Randomly we will select the move. So this is program 2. It does not require a bulky move table. Manual labor is minimal, and in this the possible win is converted into a mathematical formula, which is easier to identify. Now you keep thinking whether any of these is a AI method, and let us look at the next program that we have. Now in this program 3, we will make the computer think that whether what all moves it can make, and considering each move, what move the operand will make after I select this particular move. So this type of an analysis will be done by the program, and then the move will be selected in which the operand will have the maximum disadvantage. So this is the code algorithm for program 3 in a high level terms. Now, which of them is AI is pretty clear to you. This will require a lot of time for considering the all possible moves, but it can be extended to any complicated games. So, which one is AI? The first one is definitely not an AI because it is all hard coded. The second one is also not an AI because the machine is not thinking, it is just following an algorithmic process. The last one, in which we are considering all the moves and what moves the operand will take after I select a move, is the AI method. So, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my channel, subscribe to the channel, refer it to your friends. Thank you very much for watching.